I want to share to you is the chakra activator, the chakra activator. So this one, we have a new launching device that we starting from the last month. So we turn the frequency of the chakra activator. Before it's like a beep, 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 beep sound. Now we have the singing bowl sound inside of the chakra activator, and it's really do the job. So it has two functions of this one. The first one is water activation. What we need to do with our water activation is, okay, they have the rolling switch here to turn on and off. When you're rolling here, you will turn it on. The first program will be water activator. This one has two functions as well. The first one is to clean the water. This is not a filter, but the water, we know that the water can carry all the energy, whether it's passing through which place or which people. Even you hold the bottles of water, your energy, it will already fill in the waters. Even the water passing through like some noise, some sounds, the construction, it will receive all that energy and contain inside of the molecules of water. So the 7 chakra activator will remove them all and make the water to be a neutral molecule. So this one, when you drink it, the first thing you will feel like more energized. You will feel very refreshed. So I would suggest if you have the chakra activator, when you wake up, you turn it on, you put a glass of water here, leave it for 5 minutes, and then you drink it as the first glass of the day. So this one will help your body to start all the thing with a good water, like start like a good day. So this one, as well as because we have the energy coil inside, we have the light. If you have like a accident, like some wound with the brush here, it can help to boost up the recovery. So you can put the light through the space. It will give you energy support and will help to boost up recovery, as well as all the pain, you can put it here. It will help to give the energy support. You feel like the energy is going in very easy and very gentle. This is the first function. The second function is chakra activators. So we have a small button here, you place one time, it will start the first chakra. All the chakra will stay 20 seconds. So when you turn this one on, you just put on the first chakra. No, it's okay. I will, the first chakra, it's okay. The first chakra. And then for one cycle until the light is gone, and then you can place button and move to second chakra. The first chakra has only one spot on the bottom, but the second chakra will have front and back. And then the third chakra continually front and back. And then the heart chakra, front and back continually. The frequency that we are using right now, this one is a crystal singing bowl sound. This sound will generate the frequency to the coil, to the light. So it will everything in one frequency and to the sound as well. Yeah, so you can go here, front and back, throat chakra, until go to the crown chakra. So you can put it like this. This one is make it, because of the singing bowl sound that is related to the frequency of each chakra, it's make it more powerful because the energy that is feeding in is we have the sound, is we have the power of magnetic coil, the energy field, the electric fields together with the sound and with the light. So it's make it more powerful than before. So this version is like very super. I have a lady who has problem with sleeping. She cannot sleep at night. Actually, it's the same person. It's the person that's come to my to my working room, and she said she has to take a pill to go to sleep. So I tell her, okay, you try this one. I give the 7 chakra to her. She do it. She do it before she go to sleep. She has the first, starting from the first chakra. She do this one, this one, this one, this one, and then even sometimes she leave this one in the room for 10 minutes and then she go to sleep. The thing that she replied to me, that the first thing she feel like she when the chakra session is finished, she's starting to have some tear coming up, and then she feel yawning, and then she go to sleep very deep, because she is a health practitioner. So she has a watch, they call like a healthy watch, to monitor her sleep. So she showed me the application today. Chachai, look at my sleeping. It's like a excellent, 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 excellent. I have a very deep sleep since I have 7 chakra, and I do chakra healing before I sleep every day. Now I don't need to take a pill. So I'm wake up with a very refreshed with the water. So this is what she replied back to me today, because she just come to meet me today. So this is a very good testimonial to get it from her. And she showed me like daily as well. Today is an excellent, and every day it's excellent. And she showed to me the week before that she doesn't have the chakra section from chakra activator. It's very progressive. So this is all. This is all about 4 personal products of Light Mandalas I would like to share you today. The first one is the breeze, a personal harmonizer. And the second one is the resonator. This is for room harmonizing. And then for protection, we have violet shield here. And then 7 chakra activator. So this is the 4 personal product that you can try and experience with this one. And I come to share to you today because I'm using them every day. So I start to experience all the things, and we keep updating, we keep on going with our development, and I will keep sharing you more and more.